Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iTel S24 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but to be honest, I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi so you can avoid some unnecessary charges and then enter the Play Store. Be aware because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account currently added to the device. If not, you will have to do it right now. If you don't want to do it on your own, simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So now let me enter quickly the password and I will show you the next steps. Alright, here we've got it. So this is how the Google Play Store will look like. So all you have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and enter My Apps and Games. Now we have to tap on Manage and enter updates available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got only one app which can be updated, but of course probably will have the whole list of them. So if you want to update the app, simply mark it, just like here, and after marking all of the apps you would like to update, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.